What's up, guys? For starters, do not do what I did in this video. It's a year later, and hopefully I can put this nightmare to rest. It's been just watch. Something I got going on right now is painting on this trim. I've got this loosened up, but I can't get the back bolts loose, which these crack here if you try to pull up on them too hard, which I'll need to put the weather strip in, but I think I can move the window enough. Here we got the hinges. I've got the trunk kind of disconnected and laid back. Everything was going good. And I pulled up too far on this side, and look what I did. $150 down the drain. New seal is in, so I'm gonna mess with it. Never done that before. Couple pop rivets there to drill out. The rest are just push pins. The seal fits perfect. Holes line up perfectly. I'm going to take care of that and up there, and I'm going to do the same for the other side. But you need to save these push pins here. I'm going to be starting with this stuff here. And a simple drill and full pad. Check it out. Man, I am really glad I decided to do that. That old paint. Look at that up close. Okay, so now I'm ready to pop rivet this seal on. Awesome. Check the alignment here. No more split and no more dry. Look at that. On with the trim black. Here's after the 2 coats of paint. Looks way better. This piece here, however, I Scotch Brite it back down. I don't know what it was, the finish of the paint, it just looked blotchy and real bumpy. I think the droplets were too big. I've got another can. When the other new piece comes in, I'm gonna paint both these together. Probably gonna take this one off as well. It looks good. Maybe you chose it because someone repainted it, but I mean, look at that. This is why I named this color Nightmare, and about a dozen other reasons too. But it's a year later. Let me show you what I decided to do. LMR. Screw trying to get a Ford piece. I've stuffed this down with gray Scotch Brite pad, and gonna hopefully get this job complete. Just joking. Hey everybody, I have 3 coats of the SCM primer on. It's been sanded more than once with 320 grit. I'm pretty pleased with that. We'll see what happens. I'll tack it off with my surgical blue tack cloths. If you can read that, it's pretty much doesn't leave anything behind for paint, so it's made especially for this. And I sprayed one coat on this, one medium coat. Look how large the gloves are. It atomizes like shit. 5 minutes of flash time. It kind of settled down a little bit. Time for a second coat. I've shaken this can for 5 minutes. About 3 of them. The other can came out like crap, like this one does. But when you go spray it, make sure you spray it on something first. You see these? That's the splatter that comes out at the beginning of the spray. And you can see right there, there's no fan at all. Watch this. That sucks. Second medium coat. Look at the bumpiness. And as soon as you start spraying, all these big, large globules come out of paint. It's not atomized at all. Guys, I figured it out. It's the nozzle. That was a brand new nozzle. I put another one on it. It sprays way differently. Watch this. Actually, it has fan and no big globs coming out. So glad I did that. First coat on this after changing nozzle. Better results. Like anything, I guess you gotta buy like 3 or 4 and pick the best one, but hopefully this continues to come out. Here I've got a assortment of 1/8 pop rivets, different lengths. So I'm gonna use the 3/8 that cover the thickness of that, and 1/8 inch for the plastic. But anyway, there's new repo. I'll be replacing this. So yeah. Oh yeah. 5/8 inch long, 1/8 inch pop rivet does the trick. That's a tongue twister. All right guys, the last one looks pretty good. So I'm gonna hold downward and in, the hole is drilled, but I'm gonna try to push this rivet in below this section there, because it should be recessed in there. Get her in there. Oh, yeah. That's what we got here. That's what we got there. I call that done. D-O-N-E. It's way better. I'm very happy with it. It's already dry. It's only been a few hours. On Sunday. Never mind. Anyway, we'll get this on. Replace this POS. I'll get the top down. Thanks for watching, guys. And the next video, we'll get this put on. Hopefully, wrap this piece up. So I'll drop the top, and there's a lot more going on in the back. So, and I got the weather strips to put on the other side too. We'll see what happens with that. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. I got you this time, Nightmare. I will win.